Want to unlock a smarter way to shop on Dhgate and finally snag that item you've been eyeing? Let's break down exactly how to use Klarna and split those payments into easy installments. First, find the amazing product you want to buy right here on Dhgate. Go through the usual steps of selecting your size, color, quantity, all that good stuff. Now, at the checkout page, you'll see a list of different payment methods. Scroll through those options carefully and look for the Klarna logo. If Klarna is available for your purchase, you'll see it clearly displayed. Click on the Klarna option to select it as your payment method. Dhgate will now redirect you, either within the app or to a new browser window, to Klarna's secure application page. Here, you'll see the different payment plan options that Klarna offers. You can choose to pay in for interest-free installments or even opt for monthly financing, depending on the purchase amount and your eligibility. If you're a new Klarna user, you'll need to create an account. If you already have one, simply log in with your existing credentials. Klarna will ask you for some basic information, like your name, address, and date of birth, to assess your creditworthiness. Don't worry, the process is quick and secure. Once your application is approved, Klarna will show you the payment schedule and the amount of each installment. Review everything carefully to make sure you're comfortable with the terms. Confirm the payment, and you're all set. Dhgate will process your order, and Klarna will handle the installment payments according to the schedule you agreed upon. Now you can shop smart with Klarna on Dhgate and Joe.